This dessert is called Bavarian Cream or Bavarois. Traditionally it's served just as it is, smooth, rich, simple and elegant. You can set it in a ramekin, chill it and eat it straight away, similar to panna cotta. It can be plain or flavored with the fruit purees, but this version is all about milk chocolate. The texture sits between the custard and mousse, light and creamy with a balanced sweetness. It's great on its own, but it also works really well as a milk chocolate mousse for entremet. It holds shape, stays glossy and pairs easily with the other components. In this video I'll show you how to get that clean flavor and the right texture that makes a proper Bavarois. Let's go through the ingredients and method. Gelatin powder and cold water. Mix and let it bloom for about 5 minutes. Second is a thickened cream. Semi-whip it and keep it in the fridge. In saucepan, milk and cream, and I'm going to add some orange liqueur. Heat this together. The liqueur adds depth to the milk chocolate and helps with the texture. If you don't want to use the alcohol, just replace it with the same amount of milk. Egg yolks and sugar. Mix together, temper with a hot milk mixture, then cook to 82 degrees Celsius like a standard crème anglaise. Add the bloom gelatin and stir until dissolved and pour over the milk chocolate. Blend until smooth. A stick blender works best for the clean emulsion. Cool the mixture to 25 degrees Celsius, then fold in semi-whipped cream. So from here you can use it to assemble a cake with the insert or pipe it into individual molds. My crème anglaise mixture cooled down to 25 degrees, so now I'm going to mix in my semi-whipped cream. I will use a spatula on the last stage just to mix it properly, but to incorporate the semi-whipped cream, I found the whisk works better. It actually deflates mousse less. And I'm going to use a piping bag because I'm going to assemble cake. You don't need a piping bag if you're going to use it as dessert on its own. Just pour it into the ramekin or individual silicone molds. Being on more liquid side of the mousse, it's perfect to assemble in a silicone mold that have very fine and small details inside.